My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because
hello guys, good mornings, another day. So I'm starting with refreshing that bed, you guys. It has been a while. Yeah, so this morning I just want to motivate you with cleaning our beds, you guys. So yeah, for me, I am just going to just let the bed sheet just stay. I'm not going to change because I just 2 days they are still clean. Yeah, so today is just a simple morning routine of a working mom. So yeah, that is my morning routine. Today is on a Saturday, you guys. Yeah, Saturdays yeah, today is on a Saturday, so I'm just starting with that, cleaning the bedroom. Just yeah, because I usually clean it on weekends, you guys. Yeah, weekdays I'm always busy, so remember to get motivated by this kind of a video. Yeah, and I want to clean, yeah, those bedrooms, guys. Yeah, so hope you enjoy and hope you get motivated to clean your bedroom. See you there. So if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I does content basically on making anything around my home. So if it's your first time visiting this channel, relax and get motivated and inspired by my cleaning, guys. So remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, that is Mondays, Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m, you are the first person to be notified. And always remember to share me out to your community tab.
my heart rages around like
No
an
more talking,
ocean
just see what
in
I
my
did this
head
day.
because there are
And guys, my nanny had cleaned the clothes and folded them for me, so I just want to put them in a specific areas. So I just want to arrange that closet. Kind of a weekend set for the week, so that is what I usually do so that my week can run smoothly, because Mondays to Fridays I'm busy. So guys, it's time to prepare our dinner. So our dinner, I'm going to make chapati, you guys. Yeah, so stay tuned and see what I did to chapati, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, today I'm taking you for the full chapati process. Yeah, that's how I make it, just as simple as that. And then I'm adding warm water over there. I've added it's just flour, salt and warm water, you guys. And then I'm going to knead the dough like 30 minutes so that I give it like 5 minutes rest, and then I start cooking, you guys. So I just make it. I don't like to just make my dough and then I keep it for a long period. So me, I usually just give myself like 30 minutes of kneading and kneading, guys, and then it is going to become soft. And then
my heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
so guys, I'm done with the rolls. You can see the outcome is awesome. So today I'm going to cook chapati. I'm going to burn the chapati using the electric cooker. So I want to try burning it using the electric cooker. I've never done it, so but I'm telling you, the outcome was amazing. And this cooker really cooks very fast. It cooks faster, you guys. So yeah, so stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe.
I can almost feel
Yeah, for chapati I'm using cowboy. Yeah, so just see the results. They are very soft. I used cowboy and cooking vegetable oil, so you can see they're soft and tender, guys, and there's a beautiful, amazing. Try cowboy for your chapatis and thank me later. So I will, after finish cooking, I usually wrap it with that foil, and then I'm going to put it in a hot pot so that by the time we heat the food, the chapatis are very soft. And yeah, so that is how I usually do my chapatis. The best and the easiest recipe I can do within no time is the chapati recipe, you guys. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed and hope you have learned a lot, get inspired by my cooking chapati skill. Yeah, so that is what I usually just cook chapati, as simple as that. And on the other side, you guys, I want to fry beans, so coconut beans. So stay tuned for what I did. So in that pot there I'm going to add onions, and then I'm going to add cooking oil. Yeah, and then I'm going to cover it so that it can just turn to golden brown. And then you guys, I'm going to add spices of our own choice. For me, I'm going to add that Royco cube, and then I'm going to add cumin powder. Yeah, and then I'm going to stir it, give it a nice stir. Yeah, and then guys, I'm going to add green peppers. Yeah, so that is how I love my beans to be, you guys. Even if you doesn't have a coconut, as long as you have a cumin powder, your beans must be very tasty. And then I'm going ahead to add the tomatoes over there. Yes, and then I'm going to cover it so that the tomatoes can just cook soft. Yeah, so this time around the tomatoes are ready. I'm just going to stir it, give it a deep stir so that the mixture of the what everything can be so good. And then I'm going to add my boiled beans, you guys. Yeah, so for my beans recipe, you guys, yeah, chapati and beans is always my best food. And then I add broth after I boiled the meat in the freezer, so I usually put it and for that so that I can cook with it later. And yes guys, then I'm going ahead to add carrots. Carrots helps in bloating. When you put carrots, you fight the acidity in any cereals, like mostly, yeah, cereals. I have to put carrots. And then I've added oregano leaves, and then I'm going to add basil. These herbs usually helps you in digestion, so you'll not have heartburns, you'll not have bloating. Yeah, so that is how I usually cook my beans. And then I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit, and then I'm going ahead to add that coconut cream, you guys. Ili slap hiyo maharagwe chapati ilikuwa tamu sana, ili slap mbaya. So that is as simple as that. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing, hit the notification button so that when I post a video you are notified. Yeah, so that is what we had for that day. Yeah, so for the beans dinner, so this is what we had for our dinner, you guys. You can see, yeah, and then I'm just going to serve it there. Yeah, it's around 6, and we don't take food that time. Hope you have enjoyed. Till the next video, bye.